Hey guys, it's Michael, and this is my exciting 7-year update of my Weber Spirit E-210 grill. Everyone keeps asking me, is it rusting? How's it holding up? Yada, yada, yada. Well, yeah, it's awesome. 7 years old, here it is. I mean, it's fantastic. So, you know, it's only going to be as good as you keep it. So I clean this a lot, and there is no rust externally that you can notice here at all. I use the stainless steel cleaner. Wyman, I think, is the brand name. I'll leave a link to it in my description. But that keeps all the stainless steel looking great. I've even got the labels are still not worn off here on the burner controllers. Take a look inside here. Well, I converted this to natural gas as soon as I bought it, but you know, there's no rust in here at all. It is looking so good. Even the drip tray here, this has gotten pretty dirty over the years, but you know, I keep scraping it and keeping it pretty clean, so there's no rust on that at all. The only thing that is starting to rust slightly, this may have some surface rust on it, not a big deal. The grates are holding up really well, but once we get inside here, these are starting to rust through. I mean, they still work, but you can see there's a couple of holes there. But my gosh, I can't believe that these have lasted 7 years, honestly, and they're not very expensive. But as far as everything else in here, yeah, good. It's good. Might be a little bit of surface rusting, but nothing significant. I mean, I fully expect this to go another 10 years. I'll have to replace the flavorizer bars, and I may eventually have to replace these. I mean, these are starting to rust, but you know, I mean, gosh, iron rusts, so what can I tell you? Overall, it's an excellent grill. I still love it. I don't know whether they've changed it at all over the years, but the one that I have is fantastic, and I would buy it again in a heartbeat. I do want to mention that it's been outside the entire time I've owned it. I do cover it, but it is out here winter, summer, rain, tornadoes, windstorms, whatever it is. This is where it's been for 7 years. So I think it just is a good testament to the quality product that Weber makes. So there is my 7-year update. I hope yours is doing as well. Weber makes a great product, guys. Take care. Bye.